I'm here with AK, the founder of KnowThings. Hey AK, thanks for meeting with me today.
Hey, glad to be here, Kate.
I've got a couple of questions to ask you.
All right, shoot.
First, can you tell me in plain old English, what is KnowThings?
So KnowThings is an IoT development tool startup. We focus on simulating the edge so that you can developers QA can eliminate their hardware constraints when they're doing development and testing.
And who's it for?
Our primary audience is IoT developers and QA teams who need to test their IoT solution end to end, and so are really bumping up against those constraints of access to devices. But it's also really good for IoT consultants, solutions providers, anybody who wants to be able to show off to their customers or their end users what the end-to-end solution and vision looks like.
Cool. And why should an IoT developer care?
So first off, I think anybody who's been down there, down in the weeds coding, you never have enough devices to actually accomplish your functional tests. Especially at the early prototyping stage for the solution, just having access to that hardware or managing it is a real challenge. So that's one of the ways that virtual devices help. The second piece, that they probably care about is, hey, how do you solve problem one? Well, half of us, we write mocks and stubs. Those don't give you realistic data. So with our machine learning, we're able to give you realistic data scenarios, which actually means what you're testing early on helps save you testing it out in the field. The third reason is I have never been anywhere where I had 1 million devices, but we're building solutions that we expect to go out into the field at that sort of scale, and you need a simulation or a virtual device. You need something other than real devices to be able to do that effectively and cost efficiently.
And how does it actually work?
So one of the cool secret sauces that we have to help make creating these simulations very quick is a patented machine learning algorithm that we developed in conjunction with the University of Swinburne. So they had extended work that came from genomic sequencing and applied it basically to computer byte patterns. Now, admittedly, some of these protocols at the edge get kind of complex, but they're still nowhere near as complex as the human genome. So our secret sauce works very well for IoT edge protocols.
Wow, so what's available today, and what do you want me to do with it?
So today we have a simple prototype, kind of focused for hackers and others, that exposes that machine learning algorithm so you can test it against your protocols and ensure that it is creating that realistic simulation that I've been talking about. So what I'm really hoping folks will do is go out, beat it up, and then sign up to tell us what you think. We know the machine learning is really cool, but we want to understand how we can best accelerate your development and your software development lifecycle. So please download it, sign up for an interview, talk to myself, talk to my CTO, Menka Goyal, so that we can hear firsthand how we can build the best simulation and the best tools to accelerate development in QA teams.
I'll definitely do that. Thanks, AK.
Thanks, Kate.